Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here to present some common journal lines or introductory lines for IELTS writing task 2. The first topic which I have been taken is crime. So whenever you have an essay on crime, then you can write, it is quite obvious that the rate of crimes are increasing day by day in all societies in the world. Or you can use, crime is one of the major issues that all the countries have been facing recently. इसके अलावा if you have an essay on criminal activities, you can use, criminal activities have shown growth in most part of the world. Similarly, sometime we have essay on fast food. Then how can we start? Fast food has made the common man addicted to its taste and thus have become an integral part of lifestyle and diet of the people. So you can start like this. Or some another lines that you can use for your writing task 2, like obesity. Obesity has become a common problem in Western societies, and this is partially due to the availability of fast food at low prices. So you can start like this, and definitely you will get a good band score. I have some another definitions on fast food. Fast food, one of the most popular food among today's generation, leads to various health related issues. Or sometimes we have an essay on old people. Irrespective of nationality, location, or religion, back in time, the old ones were considered the base of society. So we can start like this. If we have an essay on old people, और लर्निंग पे अगर ऐसे आता है, लर्निंग इज द एक्विजिशन ऑफ नॉलेज और स्किल्स थ्रू स्टडी एंड एक्सपीरियंस. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट लाइक दिस. Some another topics, we have globalization. Whenever we get essay on globalization, you can start, the world has become a global village, and the word globalization a common term of 21st century. So some another lines, globalization has brought the entire world closer, which has resulted in close culture. Or you can use, globalization has shrunk the world into a small village, making all the happenings anywhere transparent. So these journal lines are very important. Next we have animals. It is irrefutable that animals have a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance on earth. So we can start like this. After that we have some another topics like creative artist or art. It is commonly believed that art plays a fundamental role in society, as artists are able to express their thoughts and their culture in their work. So we have some another lines for essay like this. Artists are considered to be a national treasure, as they help countries preserve and promote local culture. So if you use these lines, you will definitely get good score. Some another words like education is an important part of everyone's life, and it plays a very important role in the growth of an individual. Or you can use, education is the key to success in life, as it opens golden door for an individual. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. So next topic we have advertisement. Over a period of time, advertisement has become the most popular strategy for marketing and promoting the products or services. Or you can use, in today's world, advertisement has become a significant tool for marketing a product. So this is also very important. Next we have children. Children are the tender birds of society, and they are required to be taught true values of life. So the next, if we have essay on childhood. Childhood is the golden age in anyone's life, which molds each individual to grow as responsible citizen of the nation. Sometimes we have essay on museum. So you can use museums are that part of the country that showcase the past or the scientific or artistic nature of the things. Or you can use museum is a place where one get to know about the hidden treasure of native country. Okay, so the next is tourism. In the era of globalization, tourism has started playing a vital role in the development of economies. Or you can use tourism is about visiting new places with religious, cultural, or historical importance. Lastly, we have a journal line on technology. Technology is flourishing by leaps and bounds and providing us new avenues while keeping ourselves updated with the latest news and current affairs.